I'm not gonna want to miss this one. I'm gonna go into one of my trading strategies that I do every day to make my profits in the market. What is it? We use this indicator that we made. We recently came up with our own indicators, and I'm gonna point you in direction to the video. But there's an indicator in action, and it gives colored candles, and we know when to enter trades based on the colors of the candles and how it reacts off support and resistance lines. And it gives us all the support and resistance. You see, it came down to support, bounced up, came back down to support, bounced up. So it's very simple indicator. And if you guys want to, it may look confusing. I get it. But if you guys want to learn more about this indicator and how to use it, watch our free course on the strategy we use on the indicator. We did a whole 44-minute video on it. So you guys can check that out. I'll make this clickable, or I'll probably have a link to the video in the description below. I'll add a link for you guys. Like, I'm sick right now, so I won't do too much talking about it, but just wanted to point you guys in the right direction. If you need help getting to 10K a month trading, you never traded before, or you're not good at it, don't worry. We're gonna work with 5 people who like, comment, subscribe to this video and get them to 10 to 15K in a month trading. No trading experience required. Our automatic copy trader uses our premium signals. We use to grow our own accounts. You must have $2,000 to start, and we'll set up everything, and we'll be able to oversee everything, and we'll partner up with you, help you grow those accounts up to 10 to 15K a month. So if you're a new trader and you really need help, I would definitely recommend this. Just we're only taking 5 people though, so make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and join the Telegram and messages us. We'll set up everything and oversee everything. And the link to join is going to be in the description below. You'll be able to click this link right here. You can click it and you can just join the channel on Telegram. Um, we keep this video short because my voice is going in and out, but peace. Can't wait to see you guys there. We're going to jump back into the market right now.